Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today we are review the 2025 TM Racing MX 450 is here, and its pure racing energy packed into one machine. This bike is a true Italian masterpiece, built for riders who want unmatched power, control, and agility on the motocross track. TM Racing has made major updates for 2025, making the MX 450 faster, lighter, and even more advanced than before. Engine and performance. At its heart, the 2025 MX 450 runs a 449 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, 4-stroke, liquid-cooled engine with electronic fuel injection. This setup delivers explosive power and razor-sharp throttle response. The new Emoticon ECU gives smoother mapping for better control and improved traction in every gear. The 5-speed gearbox and hydraulic clutch ensure a perfect balance between speed and stability, even in the toughest race conditions. Frame and suspension. The 2025 model features TM's aluminum Deltabox-style frame, lightweight yet incredibly strong. It provides excellent stability and cornering precision. The KYB 48mm front forks and TM's own rear monoshock suspension offer world-class comfort and handling. The suspension settings have been improved for 2025, giving riders more control during jumps and sharp turns. Design and updates. TM has also introduced several new updates this year. The frame geometry and linkage have been refined to improve traction and reduce seat height slightly. The bike comes in a bold new quantum grey color with factory-style graphics that give it an aggressive and stylish look. The 2025 version also features upgraded valve components, a redesigned silencer, and better cooling for more consistent performance. Brakes and weight. With a front 270mm Brembo disc brake and a 245mm rear Nissan setup, the braking power is precise and reliable. The total weight is around 107.5 kilograms, making it light, fast, and easy to maneuver. Conclusion. The 2025 TM Racing MX 450 is not just another motocross bike, it's a statement of power, precision, and pure Italian engineering. Whether on a professional track or in competitive racing, this machine promises unbeatable performance and control. TM Racing has once again proved that when it comes to motocross, passion and perfection go hand in hand. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.